In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a section in Framer. So there's actually two ways of doing this. The first one is simply by pressing F on your keyboard, and then you'll be able to simply draw a section on the screen like this. Or the second one is by going to Layout up top left over here, and then you want to click on Frame, and this will do exactly the same thing. So you can just drag and essentially release, so you can do it with your mouse. You can drag like that, or you can of course hold down the Shift key in case you want it to be a perfect square or whatever you are doing. And once you're done with that, you can move it around as you please. As you can see, you can basically move it around. It's going to show you the alignment and all that good stuff. And whenever you click on that, you can basically set whatever you want to that specific section. So you can set the size, layout, effects, overlays, styles, etc. So you can do whatever you want over here on the right. And then if you want to add in some stuff, on the left, you can insert in different things. So essentially, you can do whatever you want with this section now, because it is, of course, now a separate part, a separate section. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.